Why does your scanner show the P0A09 engine code? What does it mean? P0A09 is a diagnostic trouble code for DC or DC converter status circuit low. This engine code indicates that this converter is crucial for hybrid vehicles as it steps down high voltage from the hybrid battery to power the 12 volts auxiliary battery and other vehicle systems. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Inverter or converter assembly failure, powertrain control module failure, wiring issues, hybrid battery problems, fuse link failure. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. It is commonly found in Toyota Prius models. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.